Hello everyone, this is Sean, your roof guy. We are here in beautiful downtown Orlando, Florida. We're in the Conway Gardens area. I grew up right near this area. Love it out here. Real familiar with it. We're on a roof here. We're gonna do an inspection for a lady. People ask me what my main goal is when I go to do it for inspection. My main goal really is to take care of the homeowner. I want to do what's in their best interest. They call me out to take a look at this roof. They're looking at a time to have to replace it. And I see a lot of damage here, a lot of wind damage. From not too long ago, we had a good windstorm. And so I think it's in her best interest that I inform her that this is probably a good insurance claim, and we may want to contact the insurance company and let them know that we've got some damage to a roof that I think is consistent with a storm we had recently. If not, then we can provide her with the best estimate that she's going to find. I want to make sure I get to help this lady. But let's flip this thing around and show you what we're looking at. First thing you notice is missing tabs that are bent up. This roof is very old. There's no doubt it's probably I'd imagine this thing's 18, 19, 20 years old. It's an old 3 tab, but you can see the missing tabs, and you can see they're just broken right in half. So even though it has a lot of granulation, the roof is still indemnified to the insurance company. And so because of these missing tabs, this constitutes a pretty good insurance claim. I have the insurance company come out here and take a look at this roof and see what they think. It's pretty clear cut. There's not a lot of questions on it. It does show some age, but she's been paying her insurance premiums faithfully for many, many years. We're gonna see if we can assist her in taking this one step further. Hey, this is Sean Bennett with XLR8 Roofing. You guys have a great day and be kind to each other.